there, welcome back to Violin Inspiration. My name is Julia and today I'm going to share with you the song Drunken Sailor. It's one of the most famous Irish songs and I think most of you know it. So I really hope you will enjoy learning to play this song on the violin. It has some really nice challenges, but it's definitely perfect for beginner violinists. So if you're just playing in your first year, make sure to learn this song. This would be perfect to train some really important basic skills. So without further ado, let's get started. These were the first two lines of the song. And what to look for in the first two lines, there are some little things to look for. The first thing is that you play a low second finger on the D string, which means next to the first finger. Low. When we are getting to the second part, that goes like this. You will notice that it is very challenging to move your third finger from the D all the way to the G without a break in between. You really have to practice this very often, and I don't really have any other tip than really practice it slowly and very often and try to get a little bit faster every day. But please don't already try to play it fast when you can't play it fast yet, because then you will hear something like this. And that will just sound bad, and also you will practice it in the wrong way. If you learn to play this thing like this, it's much harder to learn it correctly afterwards. So try to play it so slowly that you can actually make the switch fast enough. Also, if you would have to play this slow. No problem, if you are a beginner, it's better to play slowly and right than fast and wrong. So here, try to practice this switch. And you can also practice it by just playing 3 change strings, put your third finger on the G string, change strings, and take this part out. So if you mess up this part, that you don't start all the time from the beginning. Oh, and starting from the beginning again. No, just only take this part out and just practice this until you mastered it, and only then try to add it to the song. So, by the way, you don't have to play vibrato in any song if you can't. So if you see any violinist playing vibrato in any song, vibrato is always optional and it's never needed. So in this song you also don't have to play any vibrato, and even in Irish traditionals it's even better to play no vibrato probably. So, oh, my violin is breaking down. Okay. So now we're getting to the second line. Notice that the first finger on the A string is a high first finger, even though we are playing in D minor. This key normally has a low first finger, but in this case it's a high first finger. Now we are getting to the third line. Make sure to do this rhythm right. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is very similar to the beginning. This still has the same switch over there. So if you want to make this song sound more fancy, you can add a D string when you're playing on the A string. So right now I'm going to show the whole song. of course get as creative as you want to be with this song. So yeah, try to make your own version of the song, and if it is hard for you to make your own version out of it because you're just a beginner, make sure to just start with the beginning. Just start learning the notes, and then later on, if you are playing for a few years more, you will be able to add some extra fancy items to the song if you want to. I wish you good luck learning the song. And if you have any questions regarding the song, make sure to ask them in the comment section. Also, click the like button for me if you enjoyed this tutorial. And I hope to see you back on this channel. And if you want to come back, please subscribe so you will be updated of my latest videos. See you!